Hello, Mama, and welcome. If you're watching this, you've probably just had your first baby, and everything feels new, intense, and sometimes overwhelming. Breastfeeding might look natural and simple when you see others do it, but when it's your turn, it can feel confusing, emotional, and even stressful. So let's start with something very important. You are not doing anything wrong. You are learning, and your baby is learning too. This video is here to help you feel calmer, more confident, and more prepared, without pressure, without judgment, and without complicated medical language. Breastfeeding is natural, but not automatic. Breastfeeding is natural, yes, but that does not mean it is instantly easy. Your baby has never breastfed before, and you have never breastfed before either. So it's normal if it feels awkward at first. It's normal if your baby latches well one moment and struggles the next. It's normal if you feel unsure. Breastfeeding is not a test you pass or fail. It's a relationship you build slowly. The first days, what is colostrum? In the first few days after birth, your body produces colostrum. Colostrum is thick, yellowish, and comes in very small amounts. Many first-time moms worry and think, is this really enough for my baby? Yes, it is. Your newborn's stomach on the first day is about the size of a cherry. Colostrum is extremely concentrated and full of nutrients and antibodies. Even a few drops are powerful. Your milk usually starts to increase between day 2 and day 5. When this happens, your breasts may feel fuller, heavier, or warm. This is normal. If your milk comes later than expected, it does not mean you can't breastfeed. Every body has its own timing. How often should a newborn breastfeed? Newborn babies breastfeed very often. Sometimes every 1 hour. Sometimes every 2 hours. Sometimes they cluster feed for several hours. This does not mean your milk is not enough. Frequent feeding helps. Your baby feels safe and calm. Your milk supply increase. Your body learn how much milk to make. Crying is not always hunger. Babies also cry because they are tired, cold, overstimulated, or simply adjusting to the world. How to know if your baby is getting enough milk? Instead of watching the clock, watch your baby. Signs your baby is getting enough milk. Wet diapers, at least 5-6 per day after the first days. Regular bowel movements. Your baby looks relaxed after feeding. Steady weight gain over time. A baby who wants to feed often is not a sign of failure. It's a sign of a normal newborn. Latching, it doesn't have to be perfect. Many moms worry a lot about the latch. A good latch usually means baby's mouth is wide open. More of the areola is in the mouth, not just the nipple. You feel pulling and pressure, not sharp pain. Some tenderness in the first days is normal. Severe pain, cracking, or bleeding is not. If something hurts badly, it's okay to gently break the latch and try again. You are allowed to adjust. You are allowed to take your time. Breastfeeding positions, find what feels right. There is no single best position. You can try. Cradle hold. Cross cradle hold. Football hold. Side-lying position. The best position is the one where you feel supported. Your shoulders are relaxed. Your baby can latch comfortably. Use pillows, use blankets, support your arms. You do not need to suffer to breastfeed. Pain, cracks, and common worries. Many first-time moms experience sore nipples, engorgement, leaking, uneven breasts. These are common, especially in the early weeks. What can help? Correct latch. Letting some breast milk dry on nipples. Rest and hydration. Feeding on demand. If you notice fever, redness, or strong pain, talk to a healthcare provider. Asking for help is a sign of care, not weakness. Milk supply, trust your body. One of the biggest fears is, what if I don't have enough milk? Most women do have enough milk. Milk supply works on demand and supply. The more often your baby feeds, the more milk your body makes. Stress, exhaustion, and constant worry can make breastfeeding harder. Try to rest when you can. Drink water. Eat regular meals. You do not need special foods or miracle teas to breastfeed successfully. Your emotions matter. Breastfeeding is not just physical. It is emotional. You may feel happy one moment, overwhelmed the next, confident today, doubtful tomorrow. All of this is normal. You are not weak if you feel tired. You are not selfish if you need rest. You are not a bad mother if breastfeeding is hard. Your worth as a mother is not measured in ounces. There is no perfect breastfeeding journey. Some moms breastfeed easily. Some struggle. Some do a mix of breastfeeding and formula. Some stop earlier than planned. A fed baby and a supported mother matter more than perfection. Breastfeeding should support your bond, not break you. Final words for you, Mama. You are doing something new. You are healing. You are learning. And you are enough. Take it one feeding at a time. One day at a time. And remember, you and your baby are a team. You've got this.